In today's lesson, we'll learn how to factorize quadratic equations step by step. Let's begin. In factorization, we have factors, and these are numbers that, when they multiplied, they give a product. For example, I go to 16. In this case, 4 and 4 are factors, while 16 is a product, which is also known as the answer or the results. So let us see our first example. Here is today's question, which says factorize x squared plus 7x plus 6. So right here, solution, and after that we'll copy this down here. We find the two numbers or factors. When we add them, will give us 7x, which is x, and the 6x. When we add them, it will give us 7x. So, but when we multiply them, it will give us 6x squared. 6 and the 6x. Then we group these numbers into two brackets. Like terms together, like terms in the same bracket. When we group these numbers, we find a common factor, which is x, and when the x goes into here, we are remaining with 1x, because it means here we have 2x. When we have x squared, it means there are 2x, and this x goes here, goes 1, and this is the 1, and in these numbers 6x and the 6, here 6 here the common number is 6, and when the 6 goes here, it's 1 times x, which is x, and the 6 into 6 is 1. So here we find two brackets which are similar, so we choose one bracket because they are similar, and another bracket will have x plus 6. So this is the answer. Let us see another example. Here is another example. You can pause the video and try to solve it first. When you are ready, play the video, and now let's solve it together. Factorize x squared minus 8x minus 16. So to find two numbers which can be added to give us this number in the middle is negative 12 and positive 4. Remember, these factors should be the number that when we multiply them will give us the answer, which will be similar when we multiply this and this. So when we multiply 3 and 16, it will give us 48, but it will be negative 48 because here our 16 have a negative, so it will be negative 48x squared. So so the two factors that we are talking about, when we multiply them, negative 16 and 4, it will give us as well negative 16, negative 48. And when we added those factors, it will give us negative 8x. So the factors are negative 12 and positive 4. When we multiply them, it will give us for what? For the 8, which is negative 48. And when we added these factors, it will give us this number in the middle, which is negative 8x. So we'll do the same as we did to our first example. Group them, and here 4x and 16 will be in the same bracket. So what we will do is to find the common factor between this and these 12x, and we will do the same with these two numbers, 4x and 16. We'll find the common number which can goes here and goes into this number as well without leaving a remainder. So first of all, here is 3x, which is a common factor. It will goes here and as well as here. While here 4 is a common factor which can goes here and also here. So when 3x goes here, the number remaining here or later is x, and when 3x goes here, this and this will cancel, then 3 into 12 is 4. Here when this 4 goes into 4 is 1 times x is x, and this 4 goes into 16 is 4. So you can see these are two brackets, this and this are similar, so we choose only one bracket. In the another bracket will be 3x plus 4. So this is the answer. This is our answer. After this, let me give you an exercise so that you can practice these problems. So our first exercise is factorize 6x squared plus x minus 22. So this is our first exercise, and the another one is x squared minus xy plus 6x squared. So thanks for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in the next lesson.